So example 11, we're going to look at the value of a car, V, given by the equation V equals 32,000 times 0.85 to the power of t over 2, where t represents how old the car is in years. We want to find what is the value of a car after 5 years. So we're going to use our equation V equals 32,000 times 0.85 to the power of 5 over 2, because the car is 5 years old, so we're substituting 5 in for t. This is going to be equal to 32,000 times the square root of 0.85 to the power of 5. This is one where you're going to want to use your calculator to work it out. So you can punch in 0.85, find the square root, and then whatever that answer is, raise it to the exponent of 5. You'll get V equals 32,000 times 0.666112087, and repeating depending on how many digits your calculator displays. And the answer is equal to 21,315.59, because we'll round it off. And that would be a dollar value, because that's how much the car would be worth after 5 years.